Welcome to another episode of the Scranline Everyday. I'm your host, Nick McCreadys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Greek salad, also known as a horiatiko salad, which translates to village-style salad. This can be found on pretty much every Greek table on a Sunday, during the week. It's really great served with some fresh bread, or you can put it on the table with a big Greek feast, like say Christmas. This is really easy to make, so let's get started. We are going to be using a little bit of fresh oregano. I'm just going to take that off and just chop it up finely. Then we are going to prep our dressing, which is really easy as well. So some red wine vinegar, some lemon zest, and then you want to juice the lemons, add some Dijon mustard, some oregano, that chopped oregano, salt, pepper, and some fresh garlic. And we're just going to give that a bit of a whisk. Then the star of the show is really good quality olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in Greek cooking, and to this recipe it adds loads of flavour and creaminess. We'll whisk it up and then let's set that aside and move on to the vegetables. Now, when I showed my mum this recipe, she's like, "Nick, Greeks don't use yellow capsicums, they use red capsicums," but if you guys know me from the Scranline, I like to make things look really pretty. So I love the colour of this yellow capsicum, but you can use any colour you like. Just thinly slice it. We're going to be using some Lebanese cucumbers. We're going to thinly slice those as well, not too thin. Then we're going to be adding some cherry tomatoes or regular tomatoes, just cut into wedges, or if they're small like this, just cut them in half. Some red onion, which adds a touch of sweetness to the recipe, nice and thinly sliced. Some Kalamata olives, which adds a little dose of saltiness. I'm going to slice those in half and they've been pitted. And then guys, one of the biggest stars of the show, in my opinion, is Greek feta. You want to use a really good quality feta because this recipe relies on good, fresh ingredients. Cut it up into cubes and then pop all of those yummy veggies into a mixing bowl. Add half of the dressing, coat and toss everything. Then I'm actually going to put this in a nicer place. So I'm going to pour the salad in there. Add the feta on top and then a little bit of fresh mint just for a garnish, a sprinkle of dried oregano, and then we're going to pour some more of that delicious, yummy, zesty, citrusy lemon dressing. That was a bit of a mouthful. Anyway, this salad is so delicious. Recipe is on my website, scranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. If you're watching for the first time, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button because it really helps out the channel, and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scranline Everyday.